Hey there, young coders! Welcome to Code Funhouse. Today, we're diving into the magical world of JavaScript mathematical operators. Are you ready? Let's roll. First up, what are mathematical operators? Think of them as magic tools in your coding toolbox. They help you add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers right inside your code. Cool, right? Okay, let's break them down. Addition. Plus. It's like putting two Lego blocks together. Here, we're going to learn how to use JavaScript to add two or more numbers. Subtraction. Need to take away something? No problem. Here, we're going to learn how to use JavaScript to subtract a number from another number. Multiplication. Imagine doubling your candy stash. Here, we're going to learn how to use JavaScript to multiply two or more numbers. Division. Want to share your candy equally with friends? Here, we're going to learn how to use JavaScript to divide two or more numbers. Modulus. Percent. This one's a bit tricky. It finds the remainder when one number is divided by another. Perfect for solving unique puzzles. Now, how do you use these in JavaScript? We'll show you how to write code that uses these operators to perform calculations. You'll create fun, interactive programs like a pro. Why are these operators important? Math is everywhere in coding. Whether building games, solving problems, or creating websites, math makes it all happen. Professional coders use these operators for scoring points in games or calculating totals in stores. Ready for some fun activities? Follow along as we build a mini project to calculate game scores, solve riddles, and even figure out tickets for a virtual ride. Head over to your Code Funhouse IDE and type. Let num1 equals 10 semicolon next line. Let num2 equals 5 semicolon next line. Let addition equals num1 plus num2 semicolon next line. Console dot. Log addition semicolon next line. Let subtraction equals num1 minus num2 semicolon next line. Console dot. Log subtraction semicolon next line. Let product equals num1 asterisk num2 semicolon next line. Console dot. Log product semicolon next line. Let division equals num1 forward slash num2 semicolon next line. Console dot. Log division semicolon next line. Let modulus equal num1 percentage sign num2 semicolon next line console dot. Log modulus semicolon next line. And that's it with operators in JavaScript. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun lessons from Code Funhouse. Bye.